Hey, this is a Sunday before the Monday. Yeah, and I'm getting ready to go to Rwanda, then Uganda. But before I go, I have some little jewels I want to drop off with you, and this is one of them. I want you to listen to this video because this is the way I felt when I got married to my husband. Why should I have his name? Who are the Owenses? Listen.
When a woman chooses not to take her husband's last name, what message is she intending to send? And is that the same message her husband is likely to receive?
She asked, how does that come across to a man? It symbolizes a lack of trust. The same way that before we get married and I ask you to sign that prenup, and you look at me like, wow, really? The same way you get pregnant and I ask you to take a DNA test before you had your baby and we married, right? You see, look at the gasping. I can't believe you would ask me that. That's what that implies. That implies that you don't trust me. That implies that you're not as invested in this as I am. And that's what I'm saying. If something as simple as a last name.
I remember we were in the car in El Paso, Texas, and I told my husband, I said, you know what? I want my name to be Taylor Owens. I don't want my name just to be Owens. How would my friends find me about Owens? They don't know you. They don't know me as Owens. I've been all my life a Taylor. And my husband said, you don't want to keep my last name? I said, no, it's not that. I want my identity. I didn't know it wasn't really my identity. My name is really not Taylor anyway. It's a slave name. But it was a name I had. So what this young lady has said is a very way I reacted. It wasn't because I wasn't proud to be his wife, but why should I lose my identity? Why should I come under his identity and not be known? So what this young man is saying is not true. I did not want to not carry my husband's name because of a problem or is embarrassed. I didn't want to lose my identity. Why should I lose my identity? Why? Why should a man keep his and I lose mine? I like it the way they do it in Costa Rica and a lot of Spanish countries. You keep your maiden name and you carry your husband's name. And your children have your husband's name. Oh, I like the way they do it. Because then you don't lose your identity. In fact, I think you don't take your husband's name. I think you take the name of your mother and your father. And your children take your father's name and because you need to know where they come from upon generation. If I take my husband's name, that is lost. You can't tell anything about me with my husband's name. All right. Just thought I'd bring this little tidbit to you. Have a nice Sunday. I'll be talking to you again. Just want to share some things with you. And these are thoughts that come to a lot of young women. Don't mean we don't trust you. Don't mean we don't love you. But we don't want to lose our identity. Woo-hoo! Yeah. Hey, this is Jamila, and you're watching Africa Speak. Woo-hoo!